morning, students. Namaste. How are you? Hope you are keeping well with your health and studies. For health and studies, for both these things, you should be very sincere and serious. Because there is one quotation: when uh, money is lost, nothing is lost. Health is lost, something is lost. Character is lost, everything lost. So for here presently, your health must be very important. You should take care of your health, and then studies, because studies will help you to advance your life, to progress your life. So be very sincere and very serious. Yesterday I had given you some tips on narration, and you know well that narration is the only part of grammar that takes very long time to understand. But I have tried my best level to make it very easy for you to understand. How to change? I had given you yesterday. First you will put a conjunction, first say, said or said will be changed, then there will be a conjunction, then there will be pronoun change, then tenses change, then full stop. My dear, one thing, my dear, if these things you forget to write, be sure your narration is wrong. Your narration must be wrong if you fail to follow these 5 things. Change of say, says, said according to the sentence of reported speech. A conjunction between reporting verb and reported speech according to the sentence of reported speech. Pronouns change according to the subject and object of reporting verb. Tenses change. All these things are written previously, because I am revising you actually. All these things have already been given to you yesterday, but I am trying to recapitulate it. So tenses change. How can you change the tense? According to the tense of what? Reporting verb. Then some at the end of indirect narration you will put full stop. Today 2 things I have put here, and these 2 things will help you to change assertive sentence and interrogative sentence. Assertive sentence, here I have written assertive sentence, and here written interrogative sentence. In assertive sentence, you see here, this is a reporting verb, this is a reported speech. In reporting verb, there may be said, for example, said, maybe say, said, or said, and here is SVO, subject verb object, full stop. When you are going to change this direct into indirect, this said will become either told or remain said. Now you may be thinking, what will be given, told or said? After told there come object, but after said there is no object. After told there will be object, but after said there will be no object. Then you will put a conjunction that. Why? Because this is assertive sentence. This assertive sentence, your conjunction is that. Then again your SVO, but this S, this O, that is noun pronoun, this will be changed. Pronoun will be changed. Pronoun, tense, other words change. This is your tense. So pronoun, tense, and other words will be changed. Then this will be your assertive sentence. Now this is your interrogative sentence. Again, reporting verb, reported speech. If in reporting verb there is said, that said will be changed into asked in indirect. And this is interrogative sentence structure. Auxiliary verb, subject, main verb, object, question mark. Or WH word, auxiliary verb, subject, when verb object question mark. So first thing, this said will be changed into what? Asked. This said will be changed into asked. Then according to this structure, because this structure has started with auxiliary verb, your conjunction will be if or whether. If or whether. Or if it starts with WH word, your conjunction will be WH word. Then again, whether it is interrogative or WH word, you have to write SVO. First subject, then verb, then object. And this S is if pronoun, then pronoun will be changed. This V means tense, tenses will be changed. And this O means pronoun again pronoun. Other words means these things will be changed. Pronoun, tenses, other words will be changed. So if you follow these rules, certainly your narration will be correct. Understand? I think if you follow these rules, your narration, you try, at least try and show me, your narration will be correct. I am sure. I am giving you two exercises, first of assertive and then of interrogative you will do. Okay?